Well, the weather forecasters promised us an agreeable day for football, and that's exactly what we've got. I'm Derek Ray, and with me here on the commentary box is Stuart Robson. And we can't wait for this one to start, with justifiable cause. It's Galatasaray facing Real Madrid.
Well, Derek, as is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
Galatasaray unable to hang on to the ball. Galatasaray doing well to regain possession. Moving the ball forward with purpose. Short with the clearance. Bonaventura. Henrik Larsson.
Was the owner of a silver hatchback with the registration GR21LJJ. Please contact your nearest security guard. Thank you.
Stop them in their tracks. Nesta. Bonaventura. Now with Maldini. Textbook closing down, and now they're on the attack. Can they forge ahead?
Here's another look, and you can see what a good finish this is. He holds off the defender brilliantly and keeps his composure. That's a great goal.
Attacking possibilities for Real. Beards. Larsson. Teammates available, and Steven Gerrard averting the danger. Mane, and there it is, the half-time whistle.
Waiting cross-sectioning, please note, Mr.
So back in business, the ball moving again, and Real with a bit of work ahead of them. Oh, breezing past him. Defending always has to be a team effort. Good piece of covering. Steven Gerrard. On the ball, Alessandro Nesta. Bonaventura. Gerrard. Dusan Vlahovic. Fine tackle, and he's through here. Capdevila away. Dusan Vlahovic. Well, Galatasaray a bit wasteful in possession. Henrik Larsson. Capdevila in the right position. A real opening now. Corner kick awarded. And let's see if this will help them add to the lead. They will now make use of the substitutes bench. And it's there for Karim Benzema. Wonderful header. Excellent goalkeeping. 10 minutes left for play. Goalkeeper has it.
Well, just listen to the noise in here. These fans are doing everything to get their team over the finish line, and there's not long left now.
Just wanted to get it out of there.
The referee has indicated there will be a minimum of 1 minute of added time.
And there it is, the final whistle, and the fans will be leaving the stadium with smiles on their faces.
Well, Derek, they didn't